Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing, I do believe. You guys can check them out. Either my affiliate link will be down below, or their website. Either or, both are safe to click. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside this little box. I already opened it. I thought it was a TikTok thing, so here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at Sharge. SHARGE. Not charge, but you do charge with this IceMag 3 power bank, wireless charging, 35 watts max, 10,000. Looks like a little slim. Ooh, got a little stand. You could charge your earbuds, cell phone. I gotta charge my phone now. Active cooling fan, USB. Another USB port, folding stand, power button. Nice packaging. Got the chrome finish bling. Really nice. Futuristic. Here we go. Snip. Snip. Got a nice little handle. Bam. Oh boy. She got some weight to it. There we go, baby. Get in the box. There we go. Put it right there for us to see. Of course, you get the manual. We'll test this out and show you guys what it could do. I don't know if I have any AirPods or anything with me. Ooh. This is nice. Whoa. A slippery little dude. See, that lights up at RGB. 10,000. IceMag. There's a folding stand. Whoa. Magnetic. Zoom out a little. There we go. Look at this thing. On and off. Looks like a fan. Super nice. Alright, let's get down to business. There's a USB. Just gotta pull it out. Bam. Nice cord. Got my backup phone right here. You can charge other devices too. Let's see if this one. Yeah, see it kind of. There we go. So we got that going, and then you could charge your microphone. Second. Charging right there. You can see right there, full power. Let me pick this up. I don't want to fall. Oops. There we go. And now you can see fan turning different colors. Well, for a second. There we go. Really cool. You can see everything inside. It's really nice. So definitely check them out, guys. I do believe they're on Amazon, so I'll leave the Amazon link in the top part. And if you want to check out their website, maybe for different Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, now's the time to get it. Look at that. Nice little stocking stuffer also, you know. Pretty cool stand. You can see it's charging. Both the charging. Like, you can use anything. So if you're on the go, you need a quick charge, get one of these, maybe two of them. I do believe these are airplane safe, that TSA people won't throw away. So all I gotta do is click the link down below, and you guys have a good day. Be safe. See you soon. See ya.